Private standalone gyms across Tamil Nadu have reopened after 4 months into the lockdown. We come to you from the Slam Fitness Studio at Palavakkam in Chennai, where already fitness freaks or fitness enthusiasts have started coming back to the gym, and this is the treadmill section. In fact, the government has given clear SOP to be followed, and they want at least a 6 feet distance between equipment wherever possible. But in this case, this studio has put up these dividers to make sure there is no contact of any kind between workers here. And this side we have the free weight section. Everywhere they say they have put in place a new system. They allow only 50% of their customers compared to normal times, and frequent disinfection. In fact, all this equipment ought to be disinfected after every use. And we have Anirudh from this gym. Thank you very much, Anirudh. What kind of system you have put in place to comply with the COVID norms?
First thing that we thought we'll have these plastic dividers installed between each of the equipment to give them a sense of comfort and safety. That's one thing that we've done. Mandatory temperature checks, checking the SpO2 levels using a pulse oximeters.
Saravanan, thank you very much for your time. Did you miss coming to gym all these 4 months?
Yes, absolutely. I miss gym because last 4 months I faced many issues. I almost 10 kg I gained.
You couldn't wait?
Yes, 10 kgs. So now I'm very happy to.
We also have Aditya and Arvind lifting weights here. Aditya, last 4 months, how did you manage?
It was quite hard for me working out at home, but now I feel great working out at a gym, and it's very clean and safe here. So I think it should be good now to be back at the gym.
Right. Any concerns in terms of gyms spreading virus?
No, actually not, because they are having very protective arrangements here. You can see over, so it can prevent from us from those concerns actually.
Okay.
And
you're supposed to wear this face shields. Why aren't you wearing?
We have to wear this mask and this thing. Quite tough thing actually, but it's good.
Right. In fact, the government has made it mandatory that people who come to gyms ought to wear these face shields, not the masks but face shields. We also have Srinath, the general manager. Sri, in terms of business, how has it been over the last 4 months?
So it has been a bit, since we were in lockdown, we didn't have much business, but our company had helped us via provisions and giving other things to the employees. So we had tough times, but we'll overcome strongly through this once we have opened.
Okay. And in terms of users, clients who may have had a 1 year long package or half yearly package, will they have to pay again afresh now, or how does it work?
No, they did not pay. So what we have done is, so from the day of lockdown till yesterday, so we have given the clients to extend. We have extended the membership, and we have given them. So most of the clients are happy, and they are coming in for the workouts. Yes.
And you were not able to pay them salary in terms of your workers.
So we're not able to we're not able to pay them. So the company provided the provision and helped us.
All right.
So that is the way of this we had it.
Okay. And we also have a fitness coach here. Let's speak to him. What's your name?
Kadir.
Kadir, how was it for you, for workers over the last 4 months?
Yeah, it's very difficult to survive. It's now okay. Then
How did you manage?
yeah, it's hard to manage these things now. It's
No
not-
salary.
Yes, but company provide us provisions like that. They help us.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
You're happy now?
Yeah. Right now I'm very happy. I'm tired a little bit.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your time. So it's been a difficult phase for companies, owners operating these gyms over the last 4 months with lack of business, and also for many coaches who have been depending on these centers for their livelihood. Well, I'm not a weights person, but over the last few months I've gained weight, and now it's time to get back to my fitness routine. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.